Hi everybody, welcome to this new lesson. Today we will focus on the future with will. So here is the affirmation. I will work, you will work, he, she, it will work, we will work, they will work. So it's very easy, you just put the subject, will, and the verb in the base form. It's the same for all the subjects. We also have the contracted form that is apostrophe double L. Please focus on the pronunciation, so it's will. So the vowel is very short. It's not will, it's will. Negative form, I will not work, you will not work, he, she, it will not work, we will not work, they will not work. So it's very easy, you just put not after will. And we also have the contracted form that is won't. Again, be careful with the pronunciation, it's won't. Question form, you put will first, then the subject, and then the verb in the base form. So it's the following: will I work? Will you work? Will he, she, it work? Will we work? Will they work? And short answers are like this: yes, I will. So we use the full form. No, I won't. So in the negative form, we use the short form. Here are the different uses. So will is used for predictions based on no evidence. It will rain next week, quindi delle previsioni non basate su degli elementi che vediamo nel presente. Promises, I'll o I will help you, quindi delle promesse. Instant decisions, it's hot, I'll open the window, delle decisioni istantanee prese sul momento, fa caldo, pertanto aprirò la finestra, non l'ho premeditato, deciso prima, la apro perché ho preso questa decisione sul momento. It's used after opinion verbs, example, I hope I will pass the exam, quindi dopo verbi di opinioni. Hope, spero, think, penso, believe, credo, or to be sure, I'm sure, sono sicuro di. Or it's used for event outside my control. I'll be 14 tomorrow. Domani è il mio compleanno, avrò 14 anni, compierò 14 anni, è un evento fuori dal mio controllo, fuori dalla mia volontà. And will is used in if clause first type, nel primo tipo di, quindi nel periodo ipotetico di primo tipo. Example, if it rains, I will stay at home. Quindi la frasettina con if è al present simple, if it rains. E la principale è al futuro con will. I will stay at home. Posso anche dire I will stay at home if it rains, senza però mettere la virgola.